pitem bi se tom no no
helicopter ye obi de
ye ni bi
se eyi baku bi aka omo mienu fie bo ma ye 100 no the Akoto bere police for 50 years o said
there be say no the IGP good morning or say ono wo ye ne yiram onto them
ndi say no adani museum
onto them
ndi say no minim say ye kan helicopter say
na blue and white no
minim baby e wompo
but when was the last time we say you
na me kire o say na 50 years
ndi just baako e wona na akɔhye no
am say papa na wo mu no
papa wo mu no na akɔhye no
papa no kra no
na mo mu hu say papa na wo mu no
njem say ade na say aka kakraka bi na ase na ya na tank bonchen no
na no it be 2 years there Your Excellency, yeah, 3 days no your money away. Yami ya aduma efiada. Ye be kata. Ye papa nom ne ye nua nom ne ye ofa nom ne nyina achi. Na ye wie. Kan wosisi so we anya sika ne ho asem policy ne ye ka no. Ye ka enibere aba policy ho asem. Kan wosisi so ma ye ntom free China. Your Excellency, can we say siso? And yes, you can ni ho asem the ye can any braba asem. Na can we say siso? So what be say kura wo de yakobo manike ka ye bewu. Anya ye kura se see yetimi Ghana yetimi to helicopter ye mono ba ko for the very first time in the history of the Fourth Republic.
At least in the 5 years kura na 10 years ago.
Nana mai from 1992 besin there yento helicopter mono ukrum hada.
I did Uncle use.
They use
Captain sir.
Why not talk brand new?
They got to bring Ghana gas.
Hey! Oh, I said na okay. Afa Frantono. Afa Frantono. Hi kwa and them some person kuslu me and am cancer me cancer but and them person kuslu
abami say ase ba ku bi to e be ase 1970 something helicopter bi
asama ye ken okay won ti ase ba ku ye pani chen
let's was some mama
it's your excellency your power show obuoni ani de kwa so helicopter na ye pani chen bi nua ba yi mama your patrol
and any partner mu nkura imu
helicopter me see the vice president or commander de la me jina hola
ani enye serious captain
me say president mu ka kutukutu stop na sesi
wo bra ya kotoka 10 years e pese ka 10 years enu nu tia panel ti ba helicopter wo 50 years government officials tremu wo Ghana
me say agura metimi page and mu no the we will sit down and did the chire mi fa ho no so there no jam in chen say na ade ye beduru ni Fourth Republic yibin yento helicopter mono e Ghana Armed Forces da
yenkofo use
ye use ne akwaje ne atipentegu ho yesi e refurbish nanka eye den presidential jet ye wo yi ehuro huna Akufo no jasi ho ono na to yo ehuro man
because na nyam mono
eno jesi ho na nyam mono eda na nyam mono la then nana do ba na ehuro huna no omo ye by emergency landing by mprenu o say mo de mo be sem baba akokra beta hona fe ade we kan den kokome me tra hona de we nkome sebe bia de bia be high friend matram bia de we wan gra be come what that was right eno jesi ho
wow
president Mahama ba eno so na oye bebunu o de Kwavi Coast ba ku bi to be se ko Mali presidential jet ye e de Mahama kwa lata na ehunu kura no kwam eno mo de ba twetwe ba ho boko e na akoka France no who na president bisa won
captain me see there yan say for 8 years yemfa helicopter no bakokra yemma manufacturers and kasan be service ma yeda
eri anu be service
Oh, sir, I don't know. I don't know manufacture.
Now, what can I say? Mami Chawade.
Expiring date, you
know. When him say Toyota Land Cruiser say, okay. So we are buying our top. That fan say be major be say si ho servicing pet and a Toyota Ghana betting I am they can replace.
Yeah.
Because cars no your mind our expiry date too. What it's a helicopters na wo krum ha no. One more time on we decommission one more system so when manufacturer no decommission aircraft na only when you asem biom
was on your part in the crime.
Because okoye no be catch us our service area Net2 na jem go gro wo dey asema koto omukum International Aviation Commission the question wo it's a helicopter say wo krum ha nyina a decommissioned helicopters o a decommissioned a helicopter ni kwase department what the fapra ko kura ni kwase o the fapra ko any young person be kan okura wo krum ha the Akufo Ghana Police Service way Mr. Police for pilot no said that no be say to be aya Mr. Ghana Armed Forces for na omo aeronautics department to say the aviation department to say omo call hono dey no mu hu ye say military pilot they say omo two police for helicopter no dey na soldier for so omo two police for helicopter no.
Oh God.
Yet your man presidential jet, president na aeroplane, the tank na the petrol gumu no awe na che. Akoto road. Omaya yetima aeroplane na president timu no, the tank de bobo nkum, tank de bonifa awe na che.
So, Captain, 8 years na day.
What's the day? Somebody agro. Mama is somebody agro. Oh, Crawford and Chrome have free. Then I'm away. One and I'm what Jack Crawford no more than I'm Chrome have co parties, ye, then I'm Chrome have free. Then it's not pump paper, who you know, and say, yes, it's a helicopter that way. You are refurbished. It's Ghana forces in penny for one sign of some quarry refurbish.
Oh.
Yan sign. Woman who need any. They to Chrome had a helicopter. Ghana Armed Forces the Yejma wrote and back on Yejma. Yes, I too. Yenimsa black box no mo asebo meka ba won twi plane no wo mo ye ho adwuma no ebinim ye nan fofo nti yenim de net dada. How can you tell me say home military helicopter radar monitoring system in adwuma? I mean, where on earth are they?
Oh, some of us monitor do baby.
Who monitor the banya?
Free radar system.
How many minutes? From baby a 2 year no baby e kon anytime a cock pass school park and so nya de no kotwa no how many minutes enya de say long distance bi be say be 2 hours and 3 hours just be say 1 hour distance aka che say de mo mu ni bibi omo monitoring na yibi ni baby omo monitor
hwe o ka che me say soldier for helicopter the radar monitoring system in Yejuma
That's impossible.
But Captain,
and now what
can no?
What you see it here?
Edward Mani Bawumia na ye defense minister, Captain. Where your defense minister, some of these reports.
Me see anyway.
But who say, as a defense minister and a deputy, no, all these reports. What helicopter ni mo radar bibi any one my day ye dey monitor na wo akoforo. Wo ko take aduan ko mu a.
Na wo ye ndai.
Wo be ye ne dai. Ye na makwafu su ye. Mo
bibi o mo friend no.
Na mo ntra mu su nkonso no just ye pa mo chew.
Radar system ni nye adwuma, rota ba ko nye adwuma. Wom the ETA estimated time of arrival. And wom the ye adwuma. For the past 2 years, wom the estimated time of arrival. Plane to the estimated time of arrival near the edge by the monitor flight. It's a 2-3 Air Force base where there's nothing to monitor the aircraft.
And one say kwa,
it's a kwa ne kodura. No, my friend, where one can come from ETA, estimated time of arrival. No, my throw system, no, say, plane you 2 year 9-12. I could do her, no, ya try to. When we say Ghana Forces first, woman's first statement, what I catch say, they could not monitor the aircraft, no, radar system. Oh, no, woman, aircraft, no, helicopter, we. Woman found one penny for the service in the Metina, no one catch say, a 2 hour more radar, so.
So they bear me this to captain.
Messi, I mean,
it will be impossible for me to access.
This statement in the bio. Now, for post to social media, yes, now for
no, my point is, they told us I don't a free or radar monitoring system, no so.
Radar monitoring system, they be a helicopter.
If it's not there, how are they monitoring?
Then say a be a womb, and I did it off from, huh? Besides that time, I did it off from. Time and a radar, so they should have stated that. So plane be a yira. Sabi, menya pilot, menya aeronautical engineer. But the little I know about aviation, I said we see and I'm saying read by heart. And they say I say me phone and a year aircrafter, airco. I was saying 950.
Yeah.
950, 955, you flight will be ma. The system will be able to tell timer. On your fee system, no so.
Yes.
Ghana Armed Forces for issue statement, no. Moment to check timer, flight and your fee radar, no so. Or say take you off 12 minutes after 9. So at what particular time?
Who say?
And on your fee radar, no so.
Captain, radar system, no. Something like TV screen. And now flight ne kwa. Now I say you will not see any 3D. But who say a point now monitor say dot be now monitor until all of a sudden a free system no so you don't see anything on the screen
but again. You can tell the time of free system
yes that is true. Well, maybe they didn't communicate that way.
They should tell us time at the end free so when him say plane yet was a CA fan say any of these international flights either Emirates, Brussels, Air France or whatever. It take you offer. Obet me monitor phone so. With me file phone. Don't say bia.
Track camera could do yes.
Obi ba besra o to play nim. With me monitor sa. Na we go bia flight na kwaku. Ye nkura na yetimi.
No cray. And what I also believe is aircraft be Ghana's airspace piano. It was system I yetimi the monitor. But say a whole national helicopter, defense helicopter,
Where defense helicopter? Where defense helicopter? Hey. Chief, you can defense helicopter. Where defense
helicopter? Captain, can answer no shikakrao.
Messina binim. Ghana Armed Forces is paying for my country. They should give us projected images of radar system and helicopter.
Yes, it took them some time to be able to locate where the thing actually crashed.
Then it means that there was no radar monitoring system. Because the aircraft radar on the SWA.
The last point of
why you know.
Yes.
That is the search area.
Yes.
Say you create no team room or team. Oh, Freya. Me don't make it. Kwenino ne call no ye emedom pu ba ho no eno na ma yehu ba bia de ne kokoto come chop to nke da hwehwe
any videos so mo pick ye ba out fast no eno
wow Captain, you see what I know ne say
if you watch it you know what you know bia more politicians come for 3 years old if you watch it na presidential jet esi ho na the tank fuel tank na we na chi are in Canary.
So the service in an ASCS service, what were we servicing actually?
What's that? When him say Ghana Air Force in 24. Air Force in 24. I don't say maybe why border on serious national security until we won't be canning our body. But the little I can say is that military pilots they all refused someone fly presidential jet, no. Let the chief of staff come and say what I'm saying is not true. Air Force from Penny for Okruma say presidential jet in there. Woman to be sika ye say asa etime free ha ko duru France because fuel no tank na we na chen. So whoever is flying from here to France no wouldn't sika obeje. Na the plane na sifako. Eja na hwe. E ma tank na ye di petrol gumu no. Sa na meka no aviation fuel no awe na chen.
Say enipa na ye service obetre no no wo nyusu.
Any yet who
besi one mo say ye mfa no ho say ye no be use dia and a regular servicing ye kwa akoye but ono nya na dwe
it's Ghana ye ntimi nya $300 million $350 million let's say agina service for sika kwebe to ato presidential jet mo no you see we are just me David the come me Ghana man penny make Bibia ke nipa ni bi o wo bi sofo hwe baby o mo wo mu ya ba hu o mo yes so I see rule of law democracy rule of law democracy rule of law democracy rule of law he wo kro benzo
de o kan de nya Ghana
akwai eduwa he na na usa no wo fasi office ka say na 27 and $29,000 29 times say on the top. Oh, that means I know Mako say no 27. What can I say? One person to be for over $7 million. E could real estate company name. We are me there. We see me there. Monkey Kambo Mumfambra. No, it's me up Jessica. No, they are third time Mako 27 one day. One day, one single day. No, I third time 27. No, I'm club had it in I didn't go for one. I'm a mistake. I'm a I'm being real, chief. Me, where we are, Bium, Unkondina.
And you're gonna have
a bit of also.
There be ha rule of law.
How? I mean, how? We are there now. I didn't answer him. Nipa de nam krum high cover free. Et me ahwe nyame anim eja helicopter na si ho service one service ye wadwa wan dwuma man this for us so kwa mu dwamo monim say helicopter e peja de mu a asa beru a wagya ne nan ono a won tene pampan obi so ka se o se fio na esi ho ekoba saa obi a no tete obi esu obi esu won we take crocodile tears won we ye turkey tears won we ye whale tears see ade this way it's about time Ghana Armed Forces we need to have about 3-year retooling plan for the Ghana Armed Forces.
Very important, very important.
Once I catch up about 2026 me won year the year 2026
questions there baba
me who 2026
year
na yet we retooling Ghana Armed Forces ade be a tool ni number mom say a friend jet fighter ye jet fighter
we are monitoring surveillance jets
obi ate wonka we are surveillance jets
we are the surveillance
Major General Kotia on the chair surveillance ade we are the surveillance ade ya taru yemu
Captain ade ni nyina ne say Ghana for the 2 million my NDC omo bai say na defense minister Dominic Nicti so Ghana ha so ho ne ya interior minister ya national security ministers nyina wa hanom e dey be reports e dey be investigations questions be no mo bisa wo mo afa issues ya captain when ya be ho awu raise answers be no mo nya because Ghana for hwe kwan say omo bai ne say 7th month e ko 8 months enka ministry be the report be ba when ma ba beto Ghana forces when ma say anything say presidential just say anything because President Mahama started Owusu jata helicopter aircraft and go for raise issues but someone for report be a master presidential jet and I say because
and come say free Ibrahim say on your mind sika
omo kire say ade a ye betu ye nie
the defense minister explained
Air Marshal Frederick Akwesi Bekwen oti ase onwui Ghana Armed Forces nim Marshal Frederick Akwesi Bekwen and Abekun either Bekwen or Bekun or no chief presidential jet they no JP
Ada de offer so on flu be mo no ko tu ode kwai.
Dabi esese ebusa no. Je nti oja etwi. Me ya Ghana ma pedianka ade we yesie wo mo Friday wie pepepe. Commission of Inquiry bet na Monday.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
No, questions must be answered.
Me ya Jomama. Me ya Ghana ma pedianka yesie wo mo Friday wie pe. Commission of Inquiry bet na Monday and it will be open. Na yam fra Masha Frederick be ko bet na wo say dey ntina opening kese. We ye soldier ni onim plane twi papa no twi plane pa. Eye den na jet no wo just see ho. Den na wo hunti a wo se wo ka ye ntie nti wo ntwi biem. Na my report of the first time wo complain here wo ka se we nye say na no nkyerema Ghana fo ina ye na ye ntrase ne wo se ye ka so obi ebe se o man na nye so obi tan obi o menua obi antan obi a but the name e course so san fie nwotwe ni mu no.
But this is serious.
Me say Masha Frederick akwasi ba ko owo ho onwui anomana yeti be so bia so be bisa obia so be kasa ndc fo ya asem we esi ye ndc ni bia so be raise say ye nkoto helicopter na ye nto ne manema foforo because time na mbb fo ye wadin so mbeto foforo no ansa na ye de sa achede ye be kum ye yi bayi they say ne bo na dey no problem but I want oda be chona wo eti se se omuntimi twitwi o mo se o mo ye as a footballer na num bon no kasa jo kata na no ansa watede obeka and I want NDC for say ya me no kasa but Masha Frederick be ko ho ye den tina na o mo person be fly.
But Captain, that is serious.
Asambia papa bi catch me say yampa e say me ntimi and confirm me ntimi nka about sa helicopter way. Yes, sir, wo mo Kwaku to kro bi kwa wo fa wo fra say enen so biom. Wo from so me fan kwa ha wo say enen so biom.
But it's unfortunate, Captain.
And the last thing I want to say, anka then the last flight in is anka we to me Kobaya. Ebe Kobaya nanka na ya GSC ho. Na the SSC ye wo ho nti anka mo last flight ni and indeed it was the last flight. Why?
Not just adie ni nye. But adie ni nye nso a.
What are we talking about?
Any pe bia keke ne sisa wo mugumu.
You have the best of pilots. Ewo soja mu Africa ha. Papa ya me bo ni din. A very wonderful, fantastic military pilot. Masha Frederick Kwesibeko. Even other African countries who create small military pilot wo ba no ho ma tete won. Such a man will grow him. Or can some politicians they don't listen. In fear what nobody listened to him. And just see ho. Until then oja as a far con wan no just see who no person be to be. The man is here. Me if I were to Mahama and can you see on Friday Monday Commission of Inquiry at Dada. We invite Nanado. Oh yes. Yeah, look, we should start from Jericho for who bought it. He bought it. Aremeyaw.
Yeah.
Kojo Kyeremanteng so muy. Fantastic. If you don't know where you are coming from, you can never tell where you are going.
Yeah.
So we should start from where we are coming from. Commission of Inquiry, His Excellency Akufo, tell us, then tell them our Tom, oh, not the wanted to say, wait to say.
Captain, we have a lot ahead of us. So I didn't have one better. We predecessor I didn't now want Debbie, yeah, I think I Captain Yanko Freeway. Debbie, I didn't yet. He said, you can say, as you chop the cocoa accident. Yes, last I didn't yet. I didn't want that to report to Guetchester. Captain,
who just has all information?
I didn't know was Captain, maybe a civilian gun and yeah. But if you nipa ewu Ghana fine so, if you nipa ewu ye kwati Commission of Inquiry because oba report that was ade na say ade ne nye. Report that President Akufo so when you see so you Akufo Addo ben when you sue 170 pilots now can captain. It's not about him, it's about jet now Akoto. Ade ne nye.
Ye manem try and dey
President Mahama ben this for mistakes for moyen. President Mahama buy no. O tijata dem kwane banana ya your friends vice president feel UK be London ebe. You am kofa jet bi om demand by MPP for raise issues. Sabia na presidential jet or dear report and dear master NDC for back the farm.
Odo. We still need.
Now we be any Akoto Commission of Inquiry. Meanwhile, I don't know about report to the honorable challenges. Who find the enemy Ghana for who say report to them. Report to them. Somebody they be politicians. Me and me for one person be exposed will be.
That is why you hear commission of inquiry. That is why we need a commission of inquiry. Na ye hu saade we nyina CDS akoi na nsen onwui any report the table so
chief of army staff onwui air force commander onwui
every 4 years mutimi to V8 but mutimi to a helicopter see one more
can say what power na so every 4 years be almost sa
V8 every 4 years be almost sa when your president Mahama be wa beto a cars one but here dey here ebi kura ba here na MP
cars be
so
na topic na ndane
here na MP adene nyina ne say every 4 years be almost sa dia adentina helicopter aircraft it may be 50 years adentina presidential jet
na di 50 years na Akoto am be di 50 years no
okay so adentina was your Akoto helicopter every 50 years ade
politicians Akoto security accoutrement woman consult you woman consult that is what I'm saying. See, baby, yes, one in Kwa. Me say you have Air Marshal Frederick Bekwin or Beck. He's a very fantastic man. Why a former Air Force commander Krada? The question is that
you're serious.
Who consulted that man?
To go and buy a 50-year-old.
Why the consultant? And the soldier phone so Omoka say nye.
Yeah.
It's me say ya na Jom.
Yes, sir.
Otuona or Shemo. We are tomu are fine and tomu are a masama. You have such a man. And oh, come on. Yeah, we need that inquiry. We need to know.
I know an inquiry will go on. Yeah, but
we need to know.
There's an investigation even ongoing now. And I think, Sir Captain, I know that just say media no so mo boayen. Na sabi ye nuanum bia omufo say ade na asi no. They go to the site and pick things as souvenirs.
Omufo.
Yen chere na hu say ade bi ekura obia no. The investigation and just so far they be say makonya watch or home makonya phone bi or home they are not things that you can keep as souvenirs, no, because all those things can help in the investigation. Nti wa wakofa bibi o se be plane screw bi kura no wakofa o de farmer mpenifo nyina kan investigations no
yeti krum hey sana ye was civic education. Nyamwa politicians in the civic education to train say you go to trumu school.
Oh.
Captain.
Dabi enyamwa. Catch up enyamwa politicians say na mo yes ade no. And we live in this country, you can't say me be boy minor. People think we just talk too much. Helicopter you talk from say Kikra. Mpacho. Your crime scene aspect Okruma. Ebioha no more and the civilians they do monsa epeja emu ashebo koko bottom. Asante regional minister, he is a medical doctor, he's not a crime scene expert. Ekriafo na na omo ndam na omo sesa we nsa we nine we kon we abatwe we ti. Where our crime scene experts?
Cordon of the area, yeah. I think that was what we
did. We even do that?
Yeah, we missed that part.
Did we even do that?
Well, I said there was too much.
In this country, we don't even have a proper emergency system.
The response, no. I think the difficulty was even access to the place. And also now a part.
I come back and say, "Oh, access to the place.
Wow. But some of me call.
And so say access no.
Access no, but
aje kwani no. Na betime ewuremu ho.
Okay.
Your forest are wo okrum ha no. Say wo a very serious emergency response team okrum ha wo. And so your forest training. Kweku Mountains here wo. When was the last time I who say NAPO den crofo, NAPO workers alcohol ko training wo?
NAPO mo ko say flood.
Yet to come Castro to so say twon. Ye ko Israel. And ye ko fa mo fi Israel so America Castro. Na wa wo tu krom wa hu ba. Wa wo tu krom no wo ba no wa hu no. Edan achimota ade ibu say gugro yesa kope nkraman fi Israel.
On the no we express.
It is our expect no. Ade chin ye wie no ye den.
We should have learned and also got some. Yeah, that's true.
Castro tonsum. Meko mebu. Eseka by now ye ni kura no ye wo be ba 100 or 150 properly internationally recognized trained emergency response team. Do we have it here in this country?
Asante to me or Germany airports. Me ba na ase ye nyina ye fast can no ma no bia kwa ne baby. Me kwa me fast can na kra me ya start po me. Me say ready me feel for bahana. Ena police for years so me fa me nyama sisi na me sisi na mo se me tutu mi botom na me tutu mi botom na me yi mi wallet. Ti me yi mi wallet no omoje no mu bie mu no mo say oh okay no mo say the mama. So I was curious.
And I'm kind so okay.
And I'm say why? No so the dog essence notes some amount of notes bi o ho untimi mfam pie.
The people can notes won can he. Sika kana Ghana for the notes.
Sika dudu bi o ho a untimi mfa mpia o matraining kraman say untimi mfa more than I think more than 1,000 euro. Emfa nse wo ho sa mfa nko.
Can it be
entino
tete kraman. Sika show bottom go to me.
O timi hia enti me dey see this na say me bottom bebre no. Na 50-50 mu no e bi say me bottom bebre.
Ghana cities.
Ghana cities. Into ohia Ghana cities ni bebre no ebros notes e chese me dey cross no ho na makraman start say wo po me.
Wow.
No, we are just joking, and people say that yenisika. Chief, outside the fighting disaster, outside the preventing disaster.
Yeah.
The boy is saying.
Yeah. And the most painful part is just I think last 2 months or so. And now Dr. Manebuama on his Facebook or no otchere how to what happens and what to do in emergency.
Now, I'm say best say you know. Mo ka say the what you are working say helicopter no near maybe a no money ade. Na the way Ghana for afa no bo fie du for no adanse for no woman ni abre pa say because me have videos bi a obi kura wristwatch anya hwe yeah omo de camera say so wristwatch and she ehu ankanye omo ni abre say adwuma den a omo ye pa ti go forest nim ebu original minister why na ada wo mase afọ ye pa wo mo akronfo
da bi enka so mo ya akronfo ebi okra omo nim sincerely speaking obi ampa ye obi kronfo ebi ho a onim say saa ade no kra wa fa no ade a ebetimi aboa in the investigation ebi an smartwatch ewo iCloud memories unim recording na nipa kro na ye ebi kra ebetimi aboa ye with the last moment recording
ono no wo show
ebi ni hu ye ti yendare che o se unya bibia fa command panimfo
simple say ya me no ka say wo ho you see sometimes I na me nim ade a higher dream say ye nipa o esesenka search team what station wuranim.
Okay.
As a senka, there was search team.
I think the military are there.
I will wuranim. Mufo kakra kabino, ma cording of the area.
Yes, looking for all the parts.
Enti sa krom ho form rantia won na biri wo mo journey ma. Yetime huhu niema ne bi wo mo kura na wo ne Asante regional minister sabia buru sabia nyado na wo hwehwe amu no sese group fertilizer bottom cocoa bottom I say mama yenka. Anka by now, anka be assembly see na yehu se won na aboaye no. Emrante no, yemfa omu nyina ebia 2030 bi. Mama omo surface training bi. Match na wo mama omo tete be 2 hours 3 hours bi. Say we hu a ye ni say. We hu a we ye ni say. We hu a ye ni say. We hu a ye ni say. Monji gloves we nsha monsa. Na mo fa. Have you done that?
Wonderful.
As a country, as if nobody is thinking.
No, you are right. You are very right.
By now, 20-30 people, so that Ken Ofori will be a ma area.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because what's here reports Nibia, at the end of last year, the baby are parts Nibi Koto.
Yeah.
It is possible, say, about between 500 and 700 meters square. If you did that, baby.
Yeah.
20-30 people. Yama training.
I'm in the area.
Yes, Yama training. Yaman gloves. Yaman bibiashe. It's me buano. It's okwa distance we are. Ebia or more communication gadget to be. Walkie-talkies. Wako how many distance? Also, me share at the end of the 200 meters. Okay, and then 200 meters on your left, 200 meters up front, 200 meters on your right. Then ebia mafawe. Okay, wash your gloves no ane and the fashe case ne kuta onim na fabra. This is how emergency training are conducted. UPSA, University, I can say University of Professional Studies. But yet was a CA. You have Akufo Addo or banking. Near training, but Obia Kosuku, Ghana pen or Kokadeta, Wunya Soja ni police inco. Obia Kokadet no, or better forms are ta unya, near Kofa party. I bet we be or tea, baby, at Nako police training camp. Near about 10. Not need to go on a dock or so.
Captain Medawasi.
Charlie.
Ebe Captain. I think that is why we need to reset.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.